happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the smart glasses. No, it's not typically smart glasses, but there's something which it has which is quite interesting. Let's check it out. Okay guys, there we go. As you can spot it, these are the smart glasses. Now we're going to be unboxing this kind of bad boy and see what's so special inside, because they have bunch of functionality. They have calls, they have video capture throughout your phone. They have quite a bit of things which they're quite interesting. So enough of me talking. Let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. Okay, this is quite interesting, to be honest. I'm like, what's happening with these kind of sunglasses? Come on, are you coming out? Okay, there we go. Okay, surprisingly, you're having these kind of sunglasses on this kind of packaging, which is really great. And you're having your charging. So the charging, it's a dual charge. So it charges two bases of dual charge. It's a magnetic cable and another kind of stuff. You're getting a clothing. This is a clean kind of cloth which you keep it throughout cleaning your glasses. So this is our glasses, as you can spot it, and we're gonna do this way first. We're gonna open it them up. Really cool. So as you can spot it, that's how they look. They don't have a camera in front, but sideways, you see this kind of sideways, this is where the magic happens. Like, it has functionality whereby you just use gestures, and on this side same too. And the charging, they just go somewhere here. You can spot it, there's a small kind of magnetic somewhere there. So wearing it makes you feel like, damn, this is cool. And another kind of stuff, somewhere here underneath, there's holes of speaker. You can spot it somewhere here. See these kind of holes, they're left here. Those ones, they're the ones which they operate for speaker side. So whenever you just wear them, chill out like this way, you hear. So pairing mode, you just hold it here. Okay guys, right now we are done pairing with the glasses. So you can hear the sound, how it is. It's not that much crazy, but you can have total control on the phone too, which is great. You guys hear the gestures of these kind of glasses. So when I tap once, that's how it plays the music. When I tap two times, it goes to the previous music. If I tap on this side two times, it goes to the next song. See? I tap once, it just pause on the music. So guys, this audio right now is coming directly through all these kind of glasses, and as you can hear, it's quite not bad. It's really picking up there, quite interesting. So this is how these microphones they're picking up. Right now I'm indoor throughout the workspace here, and it's really immersive throughout speaking with someone. But when you're outdoor, it might be different, because might be a little bit sound, it's not that much legitimate. That's why prefer using just your phone. But when you're indoor, I find that these kind of glasses, they work quite not bad. It gives you good decent sound. But even if you're outdoor, sometimes it depends with where you at. That's why the sound quality might be different throughout there. That's what I noticed throughout these kind of sunglasses. So you can hear the sound how it is. Not bad. So guys, another kind of cool feature which I like about these glasses, remote control throughout your camera. Now, what do I mean? When you tap on your remote control throughout your camera, let's say I have the front-facing camera over here, right? And when I tap on once, you can see it's triggering that kind of timer throughout my phone. Not only the timer, you can even switch to record part. So when I tap on here, my record will just get started like that, and I'm recording directly through using my glasses. When I stop, then it will just stop the video. That's a very cool feature. Now, throughout call side, you can just hear somebody very clearly. But I'll be honest with you, the glasses, speaking with them, when you're indoor, you hear somebody very clear. When you're outdoor, you might be getting a problem throughout the sound a little. That's what I noticed it. Not so many times, but if you're in a crowded kind of place, there's so much sounds, you might be getting a problem. But overall, the glasses, they're just fitting in fine and they sounds really great. Those are the functionality which they're actually having, especially when it comes to triggering on the photo side of video, calls, and even recording part of the audio. You might be recording somebody when you're standing with them this way. It's so funny. And another kind of stuff, they're just cool on music. Just tap once and it triggers on the music side, just like that. You're walking around, you know what I mean? Nice shades, and they have that kind of earphones or speakers on this side whereby you can hear. So your ears will be open, no problem at all, and you're fine. So guys, that's it about the smart glasses throughout AliExpress, and there seems to be really great. I understand there are others having cameras. This one just have the speakers. You can trigger the camera of your phone, you can record, you can, but the most kind of specifically feature is the speaker side, whereby you just don't need to carry your earbuds. How long does it last? Well, it gives you like 6 hours, 7 hours, not bad. But overall, the glasses, they're cool, I can say. They're pretty much cool. And whenever you wear it, it gives you that kind of, you know, Men in Black kind of feel. You know what I mean? Really, really amazing. So I kind of like these kind of glasses. They're really perfect. The only problem is whenever you're using it, sometimes you find yourself triggering on the gestures and its own, and sometimes you don't know that the juice is over through the glasses until you just check it out. On top of that, another ingredient, we are having the speaker's hat. Now this is another video for another day. It's just giving you a glimpse, but this kind of hat kind of speaker, when you trigger it, you can play music too. You can see there is a kind of controls over here, which is quite not bad. It's a really great thing throughout innovation of tech. We can see how it is, and it's really nice. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of bad boy. I told you guys, when you just tap on it, it's just, the gestures are so sensitive and you can control on the gesture part. That's a problem with these kind of glasses, but overall, they're really nice. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about these kind of smart glasses. And yeah, if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.